I'm very impressed with my new lawnmower. There's no engine that needs fuel or battery that needs charging. It uses the grass as fuel. It's self-fueling. I would probably rather than eat this, but hey, let them waste their life on this. And even better, they just come from there and just and they do it and then they. So if you wonder why birds fly, it's because they eat grass. My grass. This grass. Now if you thought the dinosaurs like they're the birds' ancestors and that's why they fly, now you're off. You're way off. It's this grass. My grass. That's the reasons why birds fly all around the world. A lot of people think an asteroid killed the dinosaurs, but it wasn't. It was my grass. They were eating my grass without permission. And that's why they passed away.